welcome to Wacky Wednesdays, where everyone has a chance to show off their car mods. And here's this week's winner.
Welcome to my Jeep. This 1989 Jeep Wrangler's 4.2-liter inline-6 carbureted engine made 112 horsepower and 210 foot-pounds of torque when new. It was produced with both a 5-speed manual and a 3-speed automatic transmission. This one has the 3-speed automatic. Let's look at some features and quirks of the Jeep. The doors can be quickly removed by unscrewing a bolt and lifting. The doors can be quickly reinstalled by lowering and screwing in a bolt. Interestingly, Chrysler has hidden the gas cap behind the license plate. Let's take it for a ride. The Wrangler came in many different trim levels. This one is the Sahara Edition. Surprisingly, it's the only trim level offering door panel pockets. Luxury! It also has a Modest Glovebox, or at least it would if someone hadn't stolen mine. The Wrangler's already measly 14 miles per gallon city and, get this, 15 miles per gallon highway has only decreased over the years. When used as a daily driver, this gas-guzzling monster needed to fill up about once a week. Thank you, Scotty, for featuring my Jeep.
So if you never want to miss another one of my new car repair videos, remember to ring that bell.